O Mehariria ma kuhurukia Mutigairi Kenneth Matiba magithiaga na mbere. Mihang'o kiondorita igie kiririkana Matiba no irathii na mbere na gutabanio guku Nairobi na kaunti ya Murang'a. Kaunti-ini ya Murang'a, aikari ni mamukiririo rigitani utari marihi uria ukuhariririo thibitari-ini ya Kenneth Matiba endento ni thirikari ya kaunti-ino. Arita njira imwe ya kuririkana itemi riake mwena uyu. Utungata uyu utanyitwo guthii na mbere thibitari-ini nginyagia riria Matiba akahurukio. Gavana wa kaunti-ino Mwangi wa iria akiuga utungata uyu urongoreirie kuhe Matiba gitio kia muthia.
Ni undu wa gitio kia Matiba kahinda gaka turacakaya kuma muthenya wa Jumatano thibitari iyo ikaheana urigitani wa maitho na magego wa tuhu kuri andu othe a Kenya. Koguo thibitari iyo ya Keno ya Matiba tumeta Kenneth Matiba Dental Hospital tondu ithuĩ ti gucakaya turacakaya ni gukungwira turakungwira.
Mwena-ini wao aikari ya kaunti-ino ni macakaite gikuo kia Matiba makiuga arari mutongoria njamba uteti-ini.
Kenneth Matiba was a national figure and he's a hero, and we would like everyone to come here in Kenneth Matiba, come and feel the moment.
Kwa uhakika kwanza ni kutuma rambirambi kwa familia ya Mheshimiwa Kenneth Matiba. Sisi Waislamu tunasema inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi rajiun. Tulitoka kwake na tutarudi kwake.
Nake mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka ni acakaire gikuo kia Matiba akiuga Matiba arari mutongoria njamba na mwirutiri.
In my view, the president of this country who never was, but he remains a president to all of us in many ways. We do not have to end up wielding the instruments of power. But in the hearts of Kenyans, Mzee Matiba was a president. Because he ran for president and he got elected by so many votes. And so some of us have learned courage from him.
For those who have an opportunity to see him from the outside, this was a great man. A very, very great man. And his simple words, let the people decide.
Na kuo mwena wa Limuru, nyumba ya Matiba ni icokeirie mutongoria wa bururi na Kenya ngatho ni undu wa unyitaniri wao munene ihinda-ini riri iritu.
We would like in particular to acknowledge this with sincere gratitude the full support of the government in our preparations to lay Dad to rest. We are especially appreciative of His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta for his unwavering support since he took office in 2013. He committed himself and his administration to taking care of our father's well-being.
Mitha igiri cia kiririkano ni itanyitwo gutabanio guku Nairobi kanitha-ini wao Saints na kaunti-ini ya Murang'a kiharo-ini kia Ihura.
Sababu ya yalitokea.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.